Gold is one of the most precious and beautiful metal in the world. For countries women have been using gold to make jewelry. A gold ring is especially considered a symbol of love, marriage and beauty. To transform a simple piece of gold into a beautiful ring, it has to pass through many stages. This entire process is a combination of skills, experiences, and modern technology. First of all, pure gold is obtained for making jewelry. Pure gold is usually gold 24 karat or 99 999 gold. However, chewy 24 karat gold is very soft. That is why some other material materials are mixed with it is to make jewelry. This material usually include co- copper or silver. The process is called making an alloy. When the metal are properly mixed, the process of melting the gold begins. The jeweler presses the gold in special container. This container is called a crisper. Then it is heated at a very high temperature. Gold melts at around 1064 degrees Celsius. When the gold completely melts, it turns into liquid form. Now the melts gold is poured into specially mold. This mold is used to create the initial shape of the rings. When the gold cools inside the mold, it becomes solid again. At the stage a rough shape of the ring is formed. However, the ring is still not complete. More work is required. In the next stage, the jewelers cut and shapes the ring. Different jewelers tools are used for this purpose. purpose. With the with the help of these tools, the ring is given a perfect round shapes. Then its thickness and size are adjusted properly. If the ring required a special design, the jewelry created pattern on it. This process is called engraving. It is very delicate and required great skill. Some rings also including precious stones, for example, diamonds, emeralds, rubies, and sapphires. The precious these stones, a special space is made in the ring. Then the stone is carefully set into the place. This process is called stone setting. It is a very important and delicate stage in jewelry making. If the stones is not properly, it makes it might fall out when the designs and stone setting work are complete. The final stage begins. This stage is polishing, polishing and finishing. During polishing, the ring is cleaned using special machines. Then a special polishing compound is applied. This brings out the natural shine of the gold. After polishing, the ring look brand new and very shiny. After that, the jewelry performs a final inspections. He check carefully to show if this is any defect. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my channel and like and one comments please.